Welcome to Technia TV. This is Arun Bhatia from the Department of Management here to deliver a lecture on managing the integrated services communication mix. Now, before I start, I would like to ask you as an audience, what do you understand by integrated service communication mix? Integrated communication means if all aspects of communication are blend together, to deliver a particular message. It could be, an insert in the newspaper. It could be a small publicity or a small advertisement in any kind of a magazine. It could be a signage. It could be a billboard. It could be just a name tag. Anything. Now the organization or the person who wishes to communicate with its target audience, it is up to him to decide as to what form of communication he would like to choose. Then he has to decide the pricing factor, because for any advertising activity some price is attached to it. Now if I am advertising myself on air, the cost is very high. If I am advertising on a TV, the cost is comparatively little low. And if I have to just give a small a small dangler in the newspaper, which keeps floating while the news is being read, it has a certain amount of price attached to it. So the first step is to identify my target audience. Who is my target audience? Whether it is a 0 to 2 year old kid, 12 to 13, 12 to 20-year old guy. Is it ladies? Is it gents? Is it the senior citizens? So that who's my target audience, and appropriately then I have to decide what form of communication I have to choose. Second is I have to design the message. Why? Because for me to deliver my communication to them, I have to make sure that the right kind of message is you know given to them. So after that, the message has been designed, I have to choose the medium of communication. Now, medium of communication, as I said, it could be anything. It could be a radio, it could be FM, it could be TV, it could be a newspaper, it could be an insert, it could be a billboard, it could be a signage. So that medium of communication has to be chosen. I now have to select the communication channel. Now, what kind of a channel that I would like to carry on with? Whether I would like to advertise, whether I would like to promote through a newspaper, through a magazine, through a journal, through an insert, through signage, through billboard, on FM or on TV. Now I have to decide the communication. Now, first of all, I have to, and before that, everything has to be there set in my mind. What is the objective? Whether my objective is to target or meet the requirements of the entire mass or of a select few. I mean, if I am catering to services which are confined to my periphery, to my own local market, then maybe a local cable will suffice the purpose, right? So I may not then go in for a newspaper or a TV or a radio. Then why should I spend so much of amount when my target audience is very small? So what is the objective? Who's my target audience? That has to be pre-decided. Then I have to choose the medium of communication. Then I have to also, while choosing the medium of communication, I have to understand the budget involved in it. Whether how much of budget have I allocated for every activity of communication. Whether it is 2 lakhs, 4 lakhs, 40 lakhs, 50 lakhs, 80 lakhs, 1 crore, depending upon how far or how big I would like to publicity, I would like to carry on with the publicity. That has to be, the budget actually depends on those parameters. Now, once I have started, I have chosen the communication, I have paid the amount, I have to decide now on the media mix. Now, media mix involves I will be advertising in the newspaper, and at the same time I also would be advertising in the TV. So people who are hooked onto TV, or who are going through the newspaper, both the mediums have my information contained in it. That is the media mix. Where, and while traveling, if a person is traveling and he has his FM on, I want him to listen to me also. Then I may choose also to advertise myself on the FM. If all these parameters are not okay, I may like to, okay, my audience is very small, then perhaps every the daily newspaper which is thrown in at the customer's place, maybe a small insert might just might perform the task. After all this thing is done, then I have to measure the results. Measure the results means if I have advertised in the newspaper and I have, let's say, paid 40,000 rupees for that ad. Now, after 1 week or 2 weeks, whatever was the response, I was expecting a response of, say, let's say 100 customers or 100 inquiries, but only 2 inquiries came. So maybe I have not chosen the right kind of a communication medium. So I'll have to choose an alternate. Okay, for this kind of a audience, maybe now I have to change my modus operandi. I may have to advertise now on the FM. So well, after I advertise, I set my mind on promoting myself on the FM. I still will wait for the the outcome. How many inquiries did I receive? How many inquiries it was it able to generate through that mode of communication? Then I have to manage the integrated services communication process. Why? Because I'll have to see out of all these channels of communication that I had chosen, which one was the better. And then perhaps I would like to carry on with that mode of communication in the near future again. So I hope that this really clarifies as to what the communication services, the integrated services communication are, and how I am able to set aside my objectives. How am I go about making strategies as to how I should be getting my customers to walk into me, inquire about the products and services that I am catering to, and that inquiries that leads into generates into sales. Thank you so much. Keep watching Technia TV.